How you doing? My name is Jay Danberg with MarineMax Panama City Beach, and today we're going to look at a fresh trade-in. This is a 2019 Scout 275 Dorado. We're back here inside the Scout 275 Dorado. I wanted to point out the expansive seating. Your entire area here has fold-down seating. This is also the upgraded upholstery, so it's super soft, but 8-10 people have their own seat back here cruising to the island. So our Scout 275 trade-in has all the options you would need on it. It's got the Garmin 12-inch, Optimus power assisted steering, digital fly-by-wire controls. You've got your 2 captain's chairs here, large bathroom compartment. We are standing under a beautiful hardtop. Gives you plenty of shade. It also has the retractable sunshade off of the hardtop. And then also great seating with walk-through. Alright, so come by, see us here at MarineMax Panama City Beach, right here on Thomas Drive. If you have any questions, please call me directly. Cell phone is 225-806-3403. Thanks.